Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Zabrowski. For some of you I'm your sponsor, others this is the first time you've met me. Um, Today what I'm going to show you in this video is how to use Quora to get leads for your online businesses. Okay, Quora is so much fun, you guys. It's a blast. I love Quora. Now, the reason I like Quora is because it's very qualitative, it's very interesting. There's just so many, you can express yourself so well in Quora, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Now, I will say up front, prerequisites that just like with any tip, first of all, I'm going to be giving you tips over the days and weeks and months ahead, okay? Now, with any of these tips, it's just like anything else in life. You can't just do them once or twice and think that you're going to get major results. You have to be consistent with anything. It's just like anything in life. I mean, if, for example, if you were to be a blogger online, the reality is that it takes about 3 months for the search engines to really get familiar with your blog before you start really getting some major action. It's the same thing with other things online as well. You got to be consistent, okay? So Quora is no different. Um, Basically in Quora, what you're going to be able to do is you can position yourself as an expert in Quora, and even if you don't have that much online experience, you can position yourself as an expert, and I'm going to show you how in just a moment, and get leads for your online business by positioning yourself as an expert. That's one of the novelties that I'm going to share with you in this video, okay? Now, first off, of major importance, you need to create a profile in Quora. So the first thing you're going to do is go to quora.com, and you're going to register. It takes a couple of minutes. I'm not going to show you how to do that. It's really easy. The next most important thing that you're going to do is to create a profile. In the upper right hand corner here you can see my name Joseph, and I have a picture of myself. Very critical that you put a picture of yourself. You will get much more action when you have pictures of yourself, your avatar, in any forum that you are doing business in. Okay, so I'm going to click on this right here, and you can see I have my profile. I've already created it. I got my name, I got a description about myself, and I have the things that I do, online wealth creation, and then I have my links to my digital business and to my product-based business. I then do media creation. I have my links to those businesses as well. Okay, so what happens in Quora is people will you'll answer a question in Quora, and then they might click on your name and go to your profile, and then if they like your answer, they'll be interested in you, and they'll want to click on your links, and that's how you can get leads. Okay, so basically how it works is, for example, I'm going to go over here on the right and continue down here. By the way, I just created this particular Quora account. I have a different Quora account from the past. I created this yesterday, so this is brand new. You have your messages that you get from other people here, blogs, I haven't used that. You have your content, like just in one day. This is the content that I've created. These are all answers to different questions in Quora. One of the cool things about Quora is that you can really help people, you guys. I mean, truly, I love it because I like writing, and but I also like helping people, and I like doing online business. So I can get a lot of things accomplished. I can kill 3 birds with 1 stone here. I can help people, I can express myself through my writing, and I can get business leads for my business. It's a really like multitasking type of thing. So for example, this is an answer. Well, before I go there, I'll say this, that what you do is you can ask any question in the search engine here in Quora. You can say make money online, and whoops, I typed that wrong. Okay, and then you just click on a topic like make money online, and there's all kinds of questions. How can one make money starting a blog? What are some good ways to make money off ebooks? What is the best way to start making money online with affiliate marketing? How can I earn lots of money? And you just go in here and you comment on the person's question, okay, and give them an answer, just like in Facebook or whatever. Okay, so that's what you do. And the idea here, like if you're doing an online business, if you go in to make money online, there's going to be lots of answers to questions. You're going to be inundated. So I spend some time in these make money online type of topics, but I know that there's a lot of competition there. So just like anything else, I try to use my brain and be wise, and I think of niches. And one of the ways, and this is the essence of what I was telling you earlier, that you can really leverage Quora and position yourself as an expert and get leads for your business is, instead of going down the main road that everybody's going, make money online, whatever you're good at. Let's say that you're a knitter. Let's say you knit. in the evenings, that's your hobby and you knit. So you could type up knitting. There's tons of topics here for knitting, and there's tons of questions for knitting because this goes on and on. So if you're really good at knitting, you can go into one of these questions and you can answer it. And if you give a good answer, and so you're helping somebody out, you're giving them value after you're done answering the question, you can say, for example, like, hey, to fund my knitting, I do an online business, and then it's really been a good experience for me. Maybe you'd be interested as well. You leave your link in the answer, and they click on the link, and you got yourself a lead. Okay, so that's how you do it. Maybe whatever it is that you do. I'm into art, so I go into the arts, and there's tons of topics for art. And what I do is, because I've been a starving artist in the past and I understand what that's all about, I go in there and I answer questions from starving artists. And one of the big questions for starving artists is, how can you make a living? I mean, how do you fund your art? And so what I can go in there, I can give them value and answer their questions. And then when I'm done answering their question, I can say, hey, if they're asking a question, for example, I'll take you to a question here. I'll go to some of my content. There's a guy, I think, let's see here. How do I overcome my inner self-critical voice that keeps saying you'll never be as good as your favorite artist when learning to draw? Okay, so I'll click on that and I answer the guy's question. And so I give him a good answer, but in this particular one, okay, I didn't leave my link in here, but he knows that he can click on my profile and he can go, like he could go right here. If he likes my answer, he can just click on Joseph Zabrowski. It's going to take him to my profile, and then he can click on my links. See, that's the beauty of it, you guys. It's beautiful. But you can also leave your links in your answer. Now, look at this. I gave this one guy an answer, and I got 21 views from that answer. Okay, you think somebody might click on one of my links? Okay. Below the answer is about the author, and you can have a chance to click on your name right there as well. Okay, so if I go back into here, you can see I'm going to go to my content, and you can see I answered another person asks as an artist. What are some creative ways to fund my own art projects? So here I give him my actual links to my business. I tell him a creative way to do online businesses. Okay, I got 25 views on that particular 25 views on that particular post. Okay, so it's really nice. I've been in here. See, this is kind of weird. I don't know. Still don't understand. It says I have 22 views, but I've had like 24 views per post. So it gives you upvote. Now the cool thing about upvote is if people like your answers, they will upvote you. I've gotten 2 upvotes. I don't know why it says 1, but the more upvotes you get, the higher it raises your answer for that particular topic, and it becomes more visible to all the people participating in Quora. So as you can see here, I mean, just in one day, you guys, one day, you can see the kind of action that you can get. Okay, for this particular post, I posted it down below here, 10 views. Okay, the next post, just in one day, I've gotten 2 views. Okay, the next post, these are some of the, I got 76 views on this post. How do I get started as an entrepreneur? 76 views. Okay, so on down the line. I just wrote that like not too long ago, today, this morning. How did you get started as an entrepreneur? Another one, 12 views. Okay, and so on down the line. I mean, this was in like between yesterday and today. And so it's a very valuable tool, you guys. You can use this. You can position yourself as an expert, as I just showed you. If you use it, you can get leads. Okay, this is a very viable way to get leads, and it leaves no one any excuses. Okay, even if you're not experienced in online businesses, if you use the strategy how I just shared it with you, if you go in there and you help somebody out, give them answers to their questions, and then let them know that, hey, you know, to fund this hobby, to fund this, you know, that I do this business on the side, you might be interested, and you leave your link, okay? Or even if you don't leave your link, if they like your answer, they'll just click on your name, and they'll see your profile, and they'll see what you do, and they'll click on your link that way. So that is it, my friends. Please use this. It can be very valuable. If this is the first time you've ever heard me and you want to get into the best online businesses, I have the best digital and the best product-based businesses online. This is what I do for a living, so I focus on what is the best. And if you click on the links below this video, you can go to each one of those businesses. I'll also put the links probably above this video as well. And I'll help you be successful. The businesses that I choose usually have a lot of support, and I'm another level of support. I've helped a lot of people be successful online. So click the links, and I hope to meet you, and I hope to help you be successful. Take care, and God bless.